What if I told you there's a secret way that YouTube Shorts creators have been using to double their revenue, and it all came from the music in their shorts? And I'm going to review the 3 things that you need to know about these exclusive music deals that almost nobody knows about, and how myself and other short creators are earning thousands from this a month. And for the people who watch all the way to the end, I got a little bonus for you. Now, how do these music deals work? When a viewer scrolls to YouTube Shorts, ads displays between videos, and this generates a revenue shared pool for the creators' videos that are being watched. However, if you're a YouTube Shorts creator that uses music in their YouTube Shorts, YouTube has to deduct that cost from the revenue pool. For example, YouTube takes 45% of the revenue, and then after, 55% goes to the creator. And if you're using music in your shorts, then let's say 50% of that goes to the music, and then you're left with the other 50% of that 55%. And now, this is where music deals come in. And now music companies that are partnered with YouTube Shorts Music CMS, which is short for Content System Management, are offering exclusive deals to the biggest shorts creators. This is how it works. The 50% of money that they get for having licensing rights of their music, they give 50% of their revenue added to the creator if they partner with them. An important notice, this is not taken away from the YouTube Shorts revenue. It's extra money that they get. So they get their normal shorts payout plus the money they get from the music in their shorts. It's just extra money, baby. So to make sure the shorts creator does not get copyrighted, these music companies make their own music and ask the creator to add at least 15% volume on their shorts. Then after, it goes to the music company, and then after they take 50%, give it back to the YouTube Shorts creator, and it's just extra revenue for the YouTube Shorts creator at the end of the day. And now that you know how these music deals work, now let's go into how these creators are getting access to these exclusive music deals. These music deal companies only work with the biggest creators in the game. And you might know some of them because they usually go for the ones that make 30 to 50 million views minimum a month. And if you want to know if your favorite creator uses these music companies, next time you're scrolling on the YouTube Shorts feed, if you see a company with a weird logo, like a little funny logo, click on it and it'll usually say something media. And then that's how you're gonna know that that YouTube Shorts creator is working with a music deal company. Now, how do these creators obtain these music deals? These companies actually reach out to you. You either get it in your emails or they DM you on social media. And it's not hard to spot them because in their header, they would say like, double your revenue right now. And maybe if you're a shorts creator, you might have even gotten an email from one of these companies before. It might look shady, but most of these companies are actually working with YouTube directly. So this is completely legal and it works because I even talked to some of these companies myself and they said it's completely good and they support creators that they want to do this. You guys may be wondering what is the highest paying niches for these music deals. And now, let me go through them. One of the top spots is comedian clips. So people who put commentary in comedian clips or post comedian clips, then it's podcasts. Then after, it would be like a storytelling channel, and then it would be like facts. But the things that they do not allow is straight up stealing movies without any commentary and just placing them on YouTube. But that's pretty obvious. Nobody allows them. And also, many of the biggest creators on the platform are starting to take advantage of this opportunity with the niches, and they're going everywhere, baby. And it's your time now. A big question you guys are probably gonna ask me is, Tiago, how do I know if the music they're using or if they have any good music and if it's legal? I just want to say that the music they use is that they make the music themselves or they make a label to make them for them. So they have usually a huge list of music that you can use, but that's basically with the company that I work with. Now we're about to go into the good stuff. How creators are actually doubling or tripling their RPM with the music in the shorts. Now, how does the money look? Let me give you an example. The revenue from the shorts, depending on the length of the short, is actually way more than what YouTube pays itself. Imagine example creator A. His short is 20 seconds long and he uses the music. His RPM is gonna look something like 0.05 cents, which is not good. Then let's look at creator B. His short is about 55 seconds long. He added the music at 15%. Now his RPM is gonna look a little like 40 cents. So he's gonna get 40 cents added on to the usual pay of what YouTube pays from 15 to 20 cents per 1,000 views. And now that's 60 cents per 1,000 views. So let's say you got 1 million views. That's $600, baby. And now you can see how these biggest creators are making a lot of money. And for example, look at these shorts. This is a big short I got almost $900 for. And this other short where I played it for 20 seconds short, and look at that RPM, it was absolutely awful. So I would say the creators that want to use this, go for over 35 seconds per short. This over 35 seconds is actually when you start doubling your revenue. And even more than that is even better. But the thing is for these shorts is that you can't go over 1 minute. Because over 1 minute is when YouTube stops paying these licensing rights to these music holders. So make sure it's not over 1 minute, but it's close to 1 minute. Now before we get into the bonus, let me give you a little recap. You get a music company, they give you a list of their music, then you add it to your short at least 15% volume. And then after, you make sure your short is over 35 seconds, and then after you can check the RPM per day. And it's gonna vary from 20 cents to 40 cents. And then you start racking in that dough. However, let me give you a little disclaimer. These companies do take long in payout, at least 90 days. Because YouTube themselves take at least 2 months to pay out these music companies as well. Now it's time for the bonus. And you know the thing that I hate the most in YouTube is gatekeeping. And I'm gonna give you all this for free. And nobody wants to tell you this because they just don't want to tell you. Now, here's the bonus you guys all been waiting for. So I've partnered with a music company and they said they'll give my audience a special offer for you guys to join in. And it's just adding on to your extra revenue just for adding the music. So here's the company I work with. They actually allowed me to show all the creators they worked with and their revenue. Just look at this. They work with the biggest creators on the platform all the way going down to over 800 creators. And they paid them out. Also, I didn't want to show my dashboard because some of the channels that I have on that dashboard and basically all the channels are going to be future videos of mine that will be on this channel challenges. So I don't want to leak those channels yet, and I'll show them later in these months. And also, here's one of the biggest creators they work with. They made over 150K in 1 month off this. That's all the proof. There's a lot of proof in these videos. You can watch all scroll through down. So yeah. Now, these are the requirements. We lowered the bar to 5 million views per month for the YouTube Shorts. So if you want to join it and you get 5 million views per month, DM me on one of these socials right here or join my Discord, my free Discord link in bio, and DM me there. But if you're a Shorts creator who does not have 5 million views a month or they wants to get more, 20 million views, 30 million views, I'm going to be posting free content on this channel and in my newsletter, just helping you guys grow on your social medias. And also, I believe in you guys. I'm watching you guys. And you guys got this.